Okay, Google. Play Frogs Croaking.
Playing Gay Frogs, Alex Jones remix on YouTube.
I don't like them putting chemicals in the water that turn the friggin' frogs gay. Do you?